Hi everyone, now we're going to take a look at one of the pages that I found and I really liked that is kind of an easy way to get started in Schoolwires and a way to create a newsletter that's an online newsletter that may be easier for you. So we're going to go up here, we're in your section workspace. You'll see your name at the top of the screen and we're going to select New Page right here. We're going to scroll down to Teacher Homepage and select that. We're going to name it. And you can name it whatever you like. Now that we have it, we can select it as one of our pages. What's nice is, like I said, some of the apps are already built in, and it just is a nice way to begin this process. So we're going to start over here with upcoming events. And upcoming events is going to help us with our calendar. So I'm going to keep it the name that it is. I'm going to come down here and show you the calendar part first. Right down here it's asking me to select a calendar. Remember, we had already created a calendar. So I'm going to select that calendar so it will show. I'm going to increase the number of days in the future that it's going to include. And I can decrease or increase the number of events that it will display on my page with that as well. So I also want to remember something that I like, which is to show the app name on my page. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. I'm going to go up to View Website because I want you to see what it looks like when I don't do that. Okay, as you can see over here, I have my events, but no header, and I really would like a header there. So I'm going to go back to Upcoming Events. And it's just this little box right here, show the app name on my page. Now I can save. Go back up to View Website. And it's going to show me that header. Okay. Now we're going to head over to Announcements. Announcements is a great little spot that it may be the few little things that you want your parents to remember for the week. Due dates, tests, field trips that your class may be going on. And you just select New Announcement. Again, you can take your calendar right now and enter all the announcements that you know of that you're going to have for this year. So any field trips or tests or anything like that for the first 9 weeks, you can go ahead and put in here. You just enter the name of the announcement. What's nice is, like I said, I can come over here to display duration and go ahead and set the start date. So if I wanted this to start, maybe this was not till Thursday of September 19th, I can set the start date for the 13th and the end date for this to show on September 20th, and then save it. And it's going to automatically populate in that spot when it's September 13th. So that's a nice feature. I am going to save just so you can see. Just so you can see what it looks like on the other end. Okay, so now I've saved an announcement. I also have my upcoming events in, so let's go check. Oh, but I didn't do one thing, and let me go back. I don't think I did. Options, show the app name on my page. So let me go back and show you where I found that. In the announcement spot, I went over here to this black options section with the cog, and I selected it. And right over here, I selected and checked this spot that says show the app name on my page. Click Save. Now I can view website. And now we see the announcements and the upcoming events there. Okay, this Flex Editor app is like the go-to app in Schoolwires. So if you ever have a question of what app you need to use, because there's like 25 of them, and even you can even create your own apps. This is just a great one because you can do so many things with it. You can do word processing with it. You can pull in your photos with it. You can put in a photo gallery, a small movie, lots of different choices. And I think you'll be very comfortable in this area. This again is where you can use a Word document, write out what you want to say. You can use an old Word document of newsletters from before and take that same very text and put it right in here, and then maybe add an image of the children if you would like, and there you have it. So you will have your information there for your parents for the week. You save it, and then you can view your website. I'm going to show you this spot over here in options, because let's say you want this title to show just like the other app names, but you don't want it to say Flex Editor app. So it could say or really anything you want to say there. Math news. This could be a newsletter to your math group or your reading group. And there you have it. So this is, like I said, one of my favorites. And I hope this helps you out tremendously.